Okay, hello guys. Let's write a program to add two numbers in Python. Uh, add two numbers in Python. Okay, to add two numbers, the user should enter. We are taking input from the user to add two numbers over here. So the user needs to enter those numbers. So I am asking user to give those numbers. Let's say print enter number one. First I'm asking for number one from the user. Okay, let's run. Okay, I am asking for number one, so I need to take input from the keypad. So that is I am storing in num1 variable, which I take input using the standard input function, which is input, and I got the input over here. Let's print that. Let's print num1 and also type of num1. Type of num1. Let's see what it will output. I'm entering 4, and the num1 is 4 over here, and the type of num1 is string. This is a default behavior of input function actually. So the input will return a data type string. The input by default will return a string type. So we need to typecast it to, as we are yes, we are adding two numbers and the number is the input. We need to typecast it to integer, that is num1 is equals to int of num1. That's it. If I get now if I print num1, type of num1, type of num1 over here. Let's see, by entering 4, and you can see it is changed to int. So now we can perform operation. Let's take one more input, which is print enter number 2, and we are specifying the user to enter number 2. We will store in number 2 variable, and we are taking input. So input, that's it. And as this is as this returns string, so I am typecasting it to integer over here. We can do it like this in two steps, or we can complete it in within one step, so that will be typecasted directly to integer. So if I print num2 comma type of num2 over here, you can see, let's see, number one. Okay, num1. Okay, initially it is string, we typecasted to integer, and it's asking for num2 5, which is of int. I directly typecasted it, so that's it. And let's add to store any variable. We have sum, and I am adding these two, num1 plus num2, which will have the sum. So print sum. So I am using a strings over here. Sum of num1 and num2 is sum. Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me check. Yeah, complete this. Yeah, control enter. Yeah, first number is I'm entering as 3, and second number is 5, which is I'm getting output as C. Let's take out this. Our this is for our understanding. So let me remove this as well. Let me comment this statement as well. So I will get this. Okay, let me run it again. Number one is 5 and the number 2 is 7, and I will get the output as 12, which is nothing but sum of two numbers using Python. And please like and subscribe for the channel. If you do like, please subscribe and like, hit button. Thank you.